Credit card rehabilitation programs are an often overlooked solution for individuals who have fallen behind on their credit card payments, but want to avoid more serious consequences like charge-offs or collections. These programs, typically offered by credit card issuers, provide a structured path to bring delinquent accounts current while minimizing the long-term damage to your credit score. When you're behind on payments, your credit card issuer may offer a rehabilitation program as an alternative to sending your account to collections. These programs generally involve a structured repayment plan that allows you to catch up on missed payments over time. The goal is to help you restore the account to good standing without the severe consequences that come with a charge-off or collection. By keeping the account active and making regular payments, you can also avoid the downward spiral of mounting fees and interest that can quickly make your debt unmanageable. One of the key benefits of entering a credit card rehabilitation program is that it can stop further damage to your credit. If the issuer agrees to report your account as current once you've completed the program, it can significantly improve your credit score. Even though the late payments may still appear on your credit report, having the account marked as current can reduce the impact those late payments have on your score. Additionally, avoiding a charge-off or collection can save you from the 7-year negative mark that these actions typically carry. Credit card rehabilitation programs also offer a way to demonstrate financial responsibility to future lenders. When you successfully complete one of these programs, you're showing that you can manage your debt even in challenging circumstances. This can be particularly valuable when applying for new credit or loans down the road, as lenders often look for signs that you've learned from past financial mistakes. It's important to communicate with your credit card issuer as soon as you realize you're struggling with payments. Most issuers would rather work with you to rehabilitate your account than lose out on the money they're owed. Reaching out early can increase the chances of being offered a rehabilitation program. In summary, credit card rehabilitation programs offer a lifeline for those behind on their payments. They provide a way to bring accounts current, improve credit scores, and show future lenders that you're capable of managing debt responsibly. By taking advantage of these programs, you can prevent further financial hardship and set yourself on the path to credit recovery.